OnePlus has announced the global launch of its next flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 13, scheduled for January 2025. The phone will be available in 3 colors: Midnight Ocean, Black Eclipse, and Arctic Dawn. The company has also shared the first images of the device, which will be available in 3 options. OnePlus claims the new flagship will aim to combine advanced technology with a sleek design. The company has also confirmed that it's the first OnePlus device to achieve both IP68 and IP69 ratings, indicating improved resistance to dust and water. The design seems like a departure from the previous editions of the flagship. The sides of the device are flatter, but OnePlus has retained the circular camera island. The thickness also seems much lesser compared to the OnePlus 12, which was acclaimed for its good battery life. The image that shows 3 variants of the device also highlights the different textures that will be available with each one. The Midnight Ocean variant of the OnePlus 13 features microfiber vegan leather, a first for the company. According to OnePlus, the material promises a premium feel while being resistant to scratches and scuffs. The black version seems to have a marble-like texture, whereas the white version seems to come off with a glossy finish. The OnePlus 13 will feature the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which gives the device a strong upper hand compared to the previous versions. The phone's also expected to get up to 24 GB of RAM and a starting storage of 256 GB. OnePlus will also retain a similar triple camera setup along with a Hasselblad partnership. However, this new version has a much more subtle Hasselblad printing. Further details about the OnePlus 13, including launch dates and additional features, are expected to be disclosed in the upcoming weeks. Stay updated as the company prepares to launch its flagship product globally.